Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can convert a task on Jira to an epic or any other issue type. It works actually the same way. So let us dive right into it. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're inside my account here in Jira. So what you will need to do in the first step, guys, is select your project on the left panel and access the work item or issue you would like to convert. So let me go with one of these tasks here, like that one here. Left click into it. And what you want to do next, guys, here in your task or issue customization is click into these three dots in the top right corner, actions. And from this menu, drop down menu, select move here. And last but not least, guys, simply click into that second drop down menu here next to the given issue type, which is currently task, and select subtask, epic, or any other issue types that are available within your project from that menu, which is for me currently task, epic, and subtask. So I'm going to convert that task to epic. And last but not least, simply click into next here. Wait for a brief moment. After that, you will see these confirmations here. So one of two. So in the next step, simply click into next here. You may also enable this option, send me mail for this update. And that's basically it. Confirm everything by clicking into this button and wait for the transferring or migrating of the issue from task to epic. Shouldn't take it too long. And there you go. It is 100% complete. Now click into acknowledge here to finalize this process, and that's it. Your task has been converted into a epic. As you can see, if I hover my mouse over the given key here at the top of the given task or issue, you will see that it is now epic and not task anymore. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.